Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the capstone project of Microsoft Access, University of Waterloo co-op placement. It is Access Module 5 to 8 SAM Capstone Project A. And if you want me to do this assignment for you through Zoom, or either if you share the files, both options are available. So you can just text me on my WhatsApp and I will do the assignment for you. And it's a 24/7 available service, so you can text me anytime. Okay. And the other thing is that if you do it through Zoom, that's an additional benefit for you, that not only you will get 100% score, but also you will be able to do the assignment, which will help you in your practical life as well. Okay, so we have an option of Zoom where you will do the assignment, I will supervise you, I will make you understand how to do the step. Moving to the first step, that is, the University of Waterloo has a variety of co-op degree program where students are placed in a co-op job position to gain work experience in their field. Okay. You work in the University of Waterloo co-op placement department as a senior placement manager. You are developing an Access database application to help manage and analyze companies' co-op job students and co-op placement. In this project, you will improve an existing database by modifying table queries, forms, and reports. So as per the position of the university we have a database and we have to modify it. Okay, modify some tables, queries, etc. So the first execution step is open the student table in design view and complete the following. So we will open the this is the table, this is our project file. Make sure to replace 1 with the 2 at the end of your start file. Okay, now just double click and open it, enable it. The first step is that open the student table in design view. So we have a tables right there, and we will open the students table in design view. After the existing phone field, add a field named email with a hyperlink data type. So after the phone field, this is phone, we have to enter another field that is hyperlink, and the data type of this hyperlink should be hyperlink. The email should be hyperlink. Okay, add a second field, new field name comments with a long text data type. Again, paste, I'm just pasting those instead of writing, and this time I will select long text. Now it says save and close the table, so I'm going to save and close the table. So we are done with the step number 1 of this capstone project. Moving to step number 2, open the co-op job table in design view and complete the following. This is the co-op job table and we have to open it in design view. Now add salary as a caption property to the starting salary field. So I'm just copying it. This is starting salary, and what that is the caption property. So I will select the starting salary field, and here in the caption I will write the salary. Add greater than or equal to date as a validation rule property for the posting date field. So again I'm copying it. Validation rule for the starting date, posting date, validation rule. Okay, one thing I would suggest you that instead of copying these values in the rule, you must if it is a good practice to write it. Okay, greater than equal to date. greater than or equal to date. That's it. That's a validation rule. And date must be today or later. I'm copying this one and pasting it. That's it. The formulas where there are in the rules or in the formats, try to write it yourself, okay, instead of copying. Sometimes it gives an error. Save and close the co-op job property. If prompted to test integrity, click yes. Yes, I'm copying. Yes, the integrity might be there, so we are going to select yes. So we are done with the step number 2. Moving to step number 3, that is open the company's table in design view. Again, the company's table is this one. We have to open it in design view. Use the lookup wizard to look up values from the industry field. Industry is this one, and we have to put the values from the lookup wizard, and the lookup field should get its value from the industry table as well. So instead of short text, we will go over the lookup wizard, and here I want the lookup field to get values from another table. Okay, so we'll select this option. The other option is that I will type. We are not going to type, we are going to fetch the entries from another table of industry table. So here we have an industry table right there. As per the instruction, you can see that the lookup wizard should get its value from the industry table. So we're going to select industry as a table. Next, select the industry field and sort the records in ascending order by industry field. So we are going to select this one, and industry field should be in ascending order. Widen the industry field to get the best fit for all the values in the list. So here you can double click it. Enable data integrity with restrict delete on the relation and use industry as a label for the lookup value. Industry is already a label, so we have to click this one, enable in data integrity and restrict delete option as per the instruction. You can finish it now. The table must be saved before relationship. Okay, save it. Okay, save the table if prompted. Close the company's table. So I'm saving it and closing it. That's it. So we are done with the step number 3 as well. Moving to step number 4, that is open the submission listing query in design view. So up till now we were playing with the tables. Now we are going to open the query, and the name of the query is submission listing query. This one should be opened in design view. Now add greater than or equal to enter minimum salary as a parameter criteria for the starting salary field. Look for the starting salary. This is the starting salary field, and here we have to write the criteria. Okay, that is greater than or equal to enter minimum salary. Enter minimum salary. Wait, I think the last this one should be removed. Instead this, we must type this one. Yes, that was an error. Now it says run the query using 70,000 when prompted. Save and close the listing. Now we are going to run it. It will say write the minimum salary 70,000. Okay, now we have 9 entries right there, you can see. So we're going to save and close it. Moving to step number 5, that is open the industry salary query in design view and complete the following. Industry salary query. Add the total row to the query grid. This is the grid, so we have to add a total. So as we open it in design view, you will see a query design tab appear, and here you can click the total. Now you see the query grid, the total has been added. Group by the industry field. Okay, group by the industry field will be there. Count the company name field. The company name should be counted. Okay, so it should be counted. And average the starting salary field. This is the starting salary, it should be averaged. Where is average? This one. Switch to Datasheet View and widen each column to see all data and field names as shown. So we have to switch. We are in design view right now. We have to switch to Datasheet View. As per the instruction, widen each column with the following measurements. Okay, change the industry column field width to 35. Industry column is this one. We have to change the field width to 35. For this, right click there, and here you can click the field width. Now it is 21. We have to widen it up to 35. Same for the count of company name to 22. This one to 22. And the average starting salary to 19. That's it. Save and close the table. Save. You can see the result. We are having the same result. And close. I think that's it for this video. I will upload the second part of this very soon. So do subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will join you in the next video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, you just need to share the assignment through my WhatsApp. I will do the assignment for you and I will send it back to you. And the second option you have is that we can have a Zoom meeting where we will take a class of this. You will do the assignment and I will make you understand how to attempt all the assignment instructions, and you will submit it. And this scenario doing through Zoom is that the benefit of doing this is that not only you will get 100% score, but also you will be able to make it understand how the Access database are modified and created. So it will help you out in the practical life when you leave your college or when you finishes your studies. So I hope to see you in the next video. Do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.